Hello guys, how to fix something did not go as planned in Windows 11 update. When you try to update your Windows 11 system, such type of message appears. Something did not go as planned. No need to worry. Undoing changes. Please keep your computer on, and your computer will restart. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is run Windows Update Troubleshooters. And to run Windows Update Troubleshooter, go to Windows Settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key, and here from the left pane go to System Settings, and thereafter go right side, and here click on Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, and here run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. It will not only detect the issues, causes of your Windows Update error and resolve them accordingly. Wait for some time, it will take few minutes, and check whether your Windows Update error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next fixes is again launch run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here execute the command services.msc to launch services windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10. In services windows, look for Windows Update services and restart your Windows Update services. First stop them, and again after few seconds restart it. Right click on Windows Update services and choose a stop, and wait for few seconds, and again right click on it and choose start Windows Update services. After that, apply a double click on it, set a startup type as automatic, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The next workaround to fix this issue is your problem is still, then next method to fix this issue, go to File Explorer, press Win plus E shortcut key. Here go to C drive and look for software distribution folder under Windows, and open software distribution folder, and here open download folder and delete all items in your download folders under software distribution folder to clear Windows Update caches from your Windows system. Remove all files and folders under download and check whether your Windows Update error resolved or not. If not, go to the next phases. Go to Windows Search, type CMD and open Command Prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in Command Prompt Windows execute Windows Update components. Execute all these commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times. Simply copy this. All this command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there. Execute one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And these Windows Update components, after execution, your Windows Update error, something went wrong, will definitely be resolved. After executing these call commands, don't forget to restart your system. That's all.